Hey guys, Aaron here with a word about today's lesson. Remember, it's always possible to better your child's education, whether at home or at school, as long as you remain your child's number one educational advocate. With that said, your child's school can be a significant ally in providing testing, identification, and should your child qualify, gifted services within the school. If your little one doesn't have access to those services for whatever reason, there are still other avenues. So check out that roadmap below and let's get started optimizing your child's intellectual future. Sorry, I got a bit carried away there, I guess. We just get excited about learning around here. Oh, look out. I'm alright, don't worry. I'm resilient.